how to make money by telling your story or telling any story, just telling story about something. So you make money by telling story. There is this story about the tortoise, and series there are some story books that all the story inside of the book they are about tortoise. In Yoruba, tortoise is called Ijapa. All the stories about Ijapa, they say Ijapa is smart, that they went to heaven. They went to a meeting in heaven with the birds, with eagle and other birds. And the Ijapa, which is tortoise, does not have wings, does not have feather to fly. So the old man removed one of their wings and they gave it to tortoise. When they got up there, so tortoise flew with them to heaven where they went to do the meeting. On getting to that place, tortoise told them anything and asked, they will say for all of you that it means him. So he collected all the food. On their way back, he outsmarted them and he ate all the animal. Before they came back, they collected their wings, their feathers back, and tortoise, that's how he fell down bagada from heaven. That's why all his back were broken, shaka shaka. That is a story. And you have series of stories about tortoise. You also can think of a story and start writing the story, and I am here to help you and to guide you and to hold you by the hand and to tell you those stories you write them in series. See, you've had a lot of stories from your parents. You have experiences, you have stories. In fact, you can formulate stories. In fact, they call you formulator. That your own formulator is free. You don't get money. You are poor with all the formulation you have in your head and in your stories. Now, I tell you somewhere you can put those stories online. You can start a blog where you blog about those animals. You just blog about fiction, things that are not happening. You just blog about them. See, as I am now, I don't need any of this. I can just start talking to any story from now. I don't need to think, and I'll be telling what happened to some animal, to some things, after this, and it's a story, the storyline. And you look at it, I don't mean, as I'm moving, the next one, I hit it again with another talk, and you continues. Now you also can do that. Now you can make money from your story, and you can make money by starting a blog. Those stories that you have, all those stories, put them on the blog. You are saying you can't write. No problem if you can't write. You just talk the story. You can be talking the story on YouTube. When we're talking about, just be talking about toad, talking about frog, talking about egg, talking about anything. Just 1, 2, 3 things. Every time, every day, you're just talking about them. And you can be bringing fabu. Fabu is just something that is untrue that will make people to laugh. Something that is untrue that you will look at, how can that be possible? Now look at that story now. That the tortoise, it went to heaven. All the animals borrowed in feather. How is it possible? You borrow somebody feather, you put it, then you flew. Is that possible? It's not possible. It's a fabu. They now reach there. They now collected that feather. It now fell down from heaven. If he fell down from heaven, he will die. It's not just that his back will be broken. All those are fables. They are fabus. So you also can compose your own fabu about a particular animal, about a particular thing, about a particular plant, and you keep flogging it every week, every day, every time, and you put it on YouTube and you start making money. So if you want me to guide you on that and how to go about it, I am going to charge you just a token for data, and I'm going to be guiding you. It's different from this YouTube. This YouTube now is free. You don't need to pay for this YouTube. But some people are reaching out to me. Okay, Oga, thank you for all the YouTube you are doing. Take 5,000, take 2,000, take 1,000, take 100 naira data for all this YouTube you are doing, because it's virtually free to you, but it costs me a lot to bring all this content to you. It costs me some money. It costs me my past experience, my present experience. I have to do research to bring all these things to you. So some people, they do that on their own. They reach out to me. If you cannot reach out to me, fine. You want me to guide you, to hold you by the hand on the one-on-one masterclass, I am going to hold your hand. I am going to guide you. I am going to take you by the hand, and I'm going to be leading you until you start making your first dollar online. You can take your story and start doing blog. You can take your story and start doing YouTube channel. You can take your story even to Kindle. You write the book. It's not difficult. There's what they call text to speech. There's what they call speech to text. You write the book, and then it is ready, pronto, and then you upload it on Kindle. You upload 1, upload 2, upload 3, upload 4, upload 5, and you keep uploading, and then you go and sleep, and then the money start coming. You just wake up one day and click, and you see that the money have dropped. People have been reading your books, so people have been buying your books, and people that are buying your books are in America, they're in Europe, they're in Canada, they are outside there, where the social life is limited because of snow. They don't go out, so they have to be indoor. What do they do indoor? They watch film. Now they want to do what they want to read, so they read your book. They want to have idea. They want to even feel interested. So they read the first one, read the second one, read the third one, and it's interesting. That is how you are going to make money. So contact me. I am going to guide you. I'm going to take you by the hand. I'm going to mentor you. I'm going to monitor you. I'm going to motivate you. But you are going to pay for that because it is one-on-one. You are going to pay for the one-on-one. If you need any advice or any counsel on any area of life, get in touch with me and I'll be glad to help you. Bye for now.